Alright, here we have Young Road. It's December 1st. And you can see the water coming down. Hopefully Shannon's not going to fall away there.
Yep, actually it was.
But you can see it all the way down. Pretty crazy. Here we are down a little further. You can see Matthias on Young Road. Over 6 inches of rain so far today.